Chota inhales, bidding farewell to his cozy nook and stepping toward the trees. He rallies himself with a bold declaration to start the adventure. The map reveals a winding path vanishing into thick jungle green. Chota steps onto springy moss, ferns brushing his whiskers with dew. Strange insects and unseen birds turn the air into a tapestry of motion. A sudden rustle freezes Chota. Instincts coil like a spring. Blue fluff bursts out, scolding from a leafy perch above. Chota relaxes, a sheepish smile replacing bristling fear. They confer over the map. The legendary Whispering Falls beckons. The ground quivers, distant foliage shudders with a growing tremor. Bluebird points urgently. A thorny squeeze path is the only escape. Chota dives through the thorns, first snagging as the rumble grows.